Question number 10. Let's consider it. This arrangement has been given to us. It consists of light rigid rods and certain masses are hanging, and in them this C is unknown mass, and we need to find that mass C. So let's say this C has mass m dash, and a fulcrum has been applied over here. There's marks on the rod and the marks are equidistant. That's what the question says. Now it is balancing, so torque has to be balanced, equilibrium condition, no rotation taking place. So we can say torque about fulcrum F must be equal to 0. This is a rigid body, single body, and these threads are giving basically gravitational forces or tensions. So we can say torque about F must be 0 for the entire arrangement. So if we draw the free body diagram, you'll find this is going to be experiencing a force mg. Here it is going to be a force 3 mg. Here it is going to be a force m dash g. Here it is going to be a force mg. And this is the point F about which we are calculating the torque. So we need to find out how much the perpendicular distances are. So line of action, if you draw, this is going to be there. So that's going to be 1 mark. Let's say 1 mark read x. So this is going to be x distance. Similarly, this line of action is going to be at a distance 1 plus 2 plus 1, 1, 2, 3, 3x distance. So this distance is going to be 3x. Similarly, this line of action, if you draw, this line of action, this is going to be at a distance 3x from the fulcrum, and finally last one will become at a 4x distance. So these distances can be measured by marks shown there. Now let's write the torques which are from the left hand side, or you can say in anti-clockwise sense, and those which are in clockwise sense. So can we write this mg force is going to give a torque mg into 3x, and this 3mg is going to be giving a torque as 3mg into x, must be equal to, these torques are in anti-clockwise sense. This C will be giving a torque in clockwise sense. We can write it as m dash g into the distance which is perpendicular, which is 3x, and the torque because of this mg which is at a distance 4x, perpendicular distance. So this is how we can balance the torque. Now we need to find the value of m dash. So g or x will get cancelled out. So this will be equal to 3m plus 3m is equal to 3m dash plus 4m. Further simplification will say this is going to be twice m is equal to 3m dash. So the unknown mass is basically 2m by 3. Do we know small m? Yes, it has been given as a 6 kg. So final answer can be written as 2 into 6 divided by 3. So that becomes 4 kg. Hence 4 kg will become our answer. So that's our final answer. So just balancing the torque about the fulcrum will give us answer, because this entire combination or picture is representing a rigid body. Entire means the rods connection, not the threads. Threads are not part of the rigid body, so they are giving the tension, the forces due to gravitational force, and we have listed them. Okay, thank you.